All right, this is a 1999 Jaguar XJR. For those who own Jags and have the supercharger, if you have a leak from either one of these hoses, these two hoses right here, if you have a leak from either one of them, this one and this one, all you have to do is you start from the back with the throttle body. You remove the throttle body from the back. From there, after you remove the throttle body from the back, you remove the throttle body housing, which part of it, the top of it, connects to this, connects right here to these two. Once you do that, then you can remove the belt from the pulley right here. You remove the belt from the pulley that sits just like that. A little bit further back, you remove that belt. Once you remove the belt, you remove one, two, and then there's two bolts. One bolt back here, one right here, and it sits right there, right here. You remove that bolt. Once you remove that bolt, you can move this out, and you just replace those two hoses. You don't have to remove these two and get new gaskets, okay? I sure hope this helps. Good luck with your project.